Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. And I bought the whole of not whole actually, I bought the matchups, CVS matchups for November 22nd till November 28th. And let's go to deal one by one. So first deal is on Colgate mouthwash. Colgate mouthwash is buy one get $2 extra bucks with a limit of 2. Actually it says select Colgate Total or Optic White mouthwash. So if you will buy one Colgate Optic White mouthwash, that will be $3.99. And when you buy one, you can use $1 coupon that is coming in the next week insert on 22nd November. You can roll $2.99 and you will get back $2 extra bucks, making it 99 cents. So this is second scenario on the same mouthwash. So if you have that $2 of $6 mouthwash CRT, then you can combine with this one and that can make it both of them for free. But make sure whenever you do this deal, you can use 2 coupons off from next week's Smart Source, and definitely check the price of $3.99 on the red machine. Okay, let's go to next. So Colgate toothpaste is free. Usually it happens that when there's actually you can do this deal twice. Last year I did this deal twice because one you do for the week and other one you do for the Thanksgiving. So this is the toothpaste is going to be $3.49 and you can use 49-cent coupon from Smart Source next week, and the red coupon machine will give you $2.99 as instant coupon, making them completely free of cost. So L'Oreal Cosmetics is going to be if you will spend 12, you will get back 4. So in my scenario, if you will buy one mascara of $11.99, you can use $2.50 from L'Oreal mascara from Retail Me Not for this week, and everyone is getting $4 off instant coupon. Then you can roll that will reduce your total to $5.49 and you will get back $4 extra bucks, making it $1.49 for L'Oreal mascara. This counts toward beauty as well. So if you will see that beauty is $1.20 or something, then it will be only 29 cents out of your pocket. So don't forget to do this deal. Let's go to next. Maybelline this week is spend 12, get $5 extra bucks. Buy one Maybelline mascara $6.99. Buy one Maybelline blush, that is Fit Me blush, of $6.29. Use $2 Maybelline mascara coupon and Maybelline face coupon from this week insert, from this week Retail Me Not, and the $4 coupon, that instant coupon that I discussed earlier for the L'Oreal, the same coupon can work on Maybelline as well. So you can do either you can go for L'Oreal mascara or you can do for Maybelline deal. That will reduce your total to $5.28. You will get back $5 extra bucks plus discounts toward beauty as well. You will get back $1 beauty too, making both of them completely free. So select Oral Care again. Select Crust toothpaste or Oral-B toothbrush multi-packs. So when you buy one Oral-B 2-pack toothbrush, you will get back $3 extra bucks with a limit of 2. So one Oral-B toothbrush 2-pack at my store is $5.49 and you can use $2 coupon that is going to be coming digital on your CVS app. You can roll $3.49. You will get back $3 extra bucks, making it 49 cents out of your pocket only. I think that's a decent price for 2-pack toothbrush, and we can use our money maker deals that we are going to do on separate things. Let's go to next. So Irish Spring body wash and bar soap 6-pack. This week is buy 2 get $3 extra bucks with a limit of 3. So I created some scenarios depending on your CRTs that you got. So you can use them, you can utilize them, and then you can have that. So you will buy 2 Irish Spring body wash for $8. You can use 2 coupons of $0.75 from irishspring.com. And everyone is getting $1 CVS instant CRT. That will reduce your total to $5.50. You will get back $3 extra bucks, making it $2.50 for both of them. And let's go to another scenario. So this scenario is for those who have $2 of $8 body wash CRT, or if you have $2 of 2 Irish Spring CRT. I don't have any of them, but sometimes we get it, sometimes we don't. Sometimes we get suddenly app only coupons as well, so look for them as well. So if you have those CRTs, you will use them, and that will reduce your total down to $1.50. Combining those coupons and that instant CRT, you will get back $3 extra bucks, making it half of $1.50 moneymaker. So Hallmark cards has a deal. So Hallmark cards of only $2 plus. If you buy 3, you will get back $3 extra bucks with a limit of 1. So I have been doing this deal for past 2 weeks. Sometimes you get $4 off 4 Hallmark CRTs. Sometimes you get $3 off 2 Hallmark CRT. So on my card I have $3 off. No, this time I have $4 off 4 Hallmark CRT. And this week I used 2 off $3 off 2 Hallmark CRT. So I planned this. If you get $4 off 4 Hallmark CRT, 2 of them, then it will be $3 moneymaker because you don't have to pay anything. Or if you go for $3 or $2, then you can buy only 3 and then you don't have to pay anything. So these can be $3 moneymakers. Look for that definitely. This will be really helpful in reducing other totals because some totals are on gift set and that will be a little bit costly. So let's go to next. So next is LA Girl gift set. LA Girl gift set is going to be $4.99, and when you buy 1, you will get back $4 extra bucks with a limit of 1. So simple deal. It will be 99 cents out of pocket. Usually we get this deal every Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year. So I will definitely tell you. And if you have any LA Girl CRT or if you have any cosmetic CRT like $4 or $15 CRT, don't forget to combine it with an that will reduce your total as well. Let's go to next. So Wet n Wild gift sets again this year is $9.99 and you will get back $8 extra bucks with a limit of 1. So I did 2 scenarios for this. One is without CRT, as you can look on the screen. That is when you buy 1 for $9.99, you will roll off $9.99, you will get back $8 extra bucks, making it $1.99. And let's go to another scenario. So in this, if you have $3 off $10 Wet n Wild CRT, as I have, roll $6.99, get back $8 extra bucks. Final price will be $1 moneymaker. I heard that some people are getting $4 or $10 Wet n Wild CRT. You can combine that as well on this. That will reduce $1 more and make it $2 moneymaker. So don't forget to use your CRTs. So this is deal on GSQ Glam Squad nails file 3-pack. So when you buy 1, you will get back $4 extra bucks. So GSQ Glam Squad nail files 3-pack is $4.99. And you will roll off $4.99 and get back $4 extra bucks, making final price at 99 cents only. So these are like kind of freebies that we get every Thanksgiving. CVS thanks us for shopping, if you will say. So you can make some extra bucks as well. Let's go to next. So you buy Kotex going to be buy 2 get $2 extra bucks with a limit of 1. Buy 2 you buy Kotex 18 count. They are going to be $179. Usually the same price at the store. I think at my store it is $189. I haven't done the deal in longer time because I had already piled up with this. So $179 plus 89 cent. Rolled $2.68 and get back $2, making it 68 cents out of pocket. I think that's a decent price for Kotex, like 34 cents for 18 counts. Let's go to next. So Alka-Seltzer 1 pack. This deal is on 1 pack. So when you buy 3, you will get back $1 extra bucks. So 3 are going to be of $1. So you will roll $1 for 3 of them and you'll get back $1, making completely free of cost for them. So any Neutrogena cosmetics is buy 2 get $6 extra bucks with a limit of 2. I'm saying this deal because I had a BOGO CRT on Neutrogena and I have $3 Neutrogena CVS makeup as well. So if you will buy 2 of them for Hydro Boost, so usually what BOGO do is it will reduce the total to $17.99 and then you can use $3 CRT that will reduce and $3 CVS coupon that is going to come for $11.22 and that will reduce your total to $11.99 and you will get back $6 extra bucks, making $3 beauty buck as well, making it $3 out of pocket. And So I would not suggest to submit the deal, submit the receipt to what do you call that, Neutrogena. That there's one thing more going on, that you will spend 25 get $10 Visa card. So I did not get that. I submitted my receipt, but I did not get that. When I tried to contact them and I couldn't find it. So if you have an same experience, you can tell me in comments, or if you have found solution for that, do let me know. But I couldn't get my $10 Visa gift card from Neutrogena. So if you get it, do submit this deal. Do submit the receipt to the Neutrogena, and they will give you $10 Visa gift card. That will be, I think, $7 money maker. But I have one more scenario. If you have that CRT that you can combine with it, let's go to that scenario. So this scenario is for $5 of $25 Neutrogena CRT. So when you buy two, you will get back $6 extra bucks. Same thing. You will buy foundation sticks. You will use BOGO's CVS CRT, Neutrogena Makeup CRT, Neutrogena CVS coupon from the coming week, send to cart, and then $5 of $15 Neutrogena CRT. That will reduce your total to $6.99. You will get back $6 extra bucks, plus you will get $3 for beauty bucks, and final price will be $2 moneymaker. And if you submit your receipt and you get back the Visa gift card, this will be $12 moneymaker. So do look for your CRTs, whichever is combining and whichever is working for you. So there are select designer fragrances. They are going to be $19.99, and when you buy one, you will get back $15 extra bucks. Limit of one. So there is, if you have CRT, don't forget to combine with it. I believe some people are getting CRT. I don't have any CRT on this, so that's why I couldn't find the deal on combine that with that. So according to me, you will just roll off $19.99. You will get back $15 extra bucks, making it $4.99. Submit it to Ibotta, get back $5 extra bucks. Submit to Checkout 51, get back $2 extra bucks. Submit to Swagbucks, get back $2 extra bucks. So completely free plus $1 moneymaker. I think that's a good deal. You're making $1 for buying designer fragrances. We don't get much deal. And I think if you will buy these, you can gift them, you can use them, whatever you will like that. Okay, let's go to next. So this deal is on Schick Razor. Schick Razor is going to be buy two, get $10 extra bucks with the limit of one. And when you buy one Schick Hydro and Schick Extreme, I asked for these two because I had CRT of this. $3 of Schick Hydro CRT, $3 of Schick Extreme CRT, and I have $5 of $20 Razor CRT as well. Roll $10.98, get back $10 extra bucks. Final price will be $1 out of pocket for both of them. I think that we can definitely go through that. So these are my breakdown for this week, guys. I hope this can save you a lot, and stay tuned. I will definitely try to share an advertised deal on Saturday, so that can help you in more as well. Thank you.